Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling to generate power in your tennis shots? Many recreational players find it hard to hit deep, consistent shots without putting extra strain on their arm. If your racket feels heavy, slow, or uncomfortable during long matches, it might be time for an upgrade. The right racket can make a huge difference in power, control, and comfort on the court. Meet the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a lightweight and powerful racket designed specifically for recreational and intermediate tennis players who want effortless performance. This racket is built with a graphite composite frame and carbon fiber shaft, making it both lightweight and durable. It weighs only 0.24 kilograms, which helps players swing faster and react quickly during rallies. The hammer technology design places more weight in the head of the racket, helping generate extra power even with shorter swings. It also features a 4 3/8 inch grip size, offering a comfortable and stable hold for most adult players. Because of its large sweet spot, off-center hits still feel smooth and controlled, great for players who are still developing consistency. Pros: very lightweight and easy to maneuver. Excellent power for recreational players. Comfortable grip and arm-friendly design. Cons: advanced players may want more control. Head-heavy balance might feel different at first. The Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket is ideal for beginner to recreational players who want a racket that boosts power, reduces arm fatigue, and makes the game more enjoyable. At around $169, this racket offers solid performance, trusted Wilson quality, and excellent value for casual and improving tennis players. Number 2. Introducing the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a lightweight and easy-to-use tennis racket designed for adult players who want a great mix of power, comfort, and control on the court. The Babolat Boost S tennis racket features a graphite frame and graphite shaft, giving it a strong yet lightweight build that helps improve swing speed and durability. It weighs about 280 grams, which makes it easy to handle for long practice sessions or casual matches without causing too much arm fatigue. The racket also comes with a 4 3/8 inch grip size, providing a comfortable and secure hold for many adult players. Its balanced design helps deliver a nice combination of power and control, allowing players to hit consistent shots while still maintaining accuracy. Another advantage is the forgiving sweet spot, which helps reduce the impact of off-center hits, making it easier for developing players to keep the ball in play. Pros: lightweight and easy to swing. Comfortable grip for longer play sessions. Good balance of power and control. Cons: not designed for high-level competitive players. May lack advanced spin features compared to pro rackets. The Babolat Boost S tennis racket is ideal for beginner to intermediate players, casual tennis enthusiasts, and adults looking for a comfortable, easy-to-play racket for practice and recreational matches. With a price of around $150, this racket offers great value for players who want reliable performance from a trusted brand without spending premium pro-level money. Number 3. Meet the Wilson Clash 108 V2 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, a modern performance racket built for players who want a unique blend of power, flexibility, and arm-friendly comfort on the court. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is built with 45-degree carbon construction, a special frame technology that improves flexibility while maintaining stability during powerful swings. This racket weighs around 0.62 pounds, making it relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver during fast rallies and quick net play. It features a 108 square inch head size, giving players a larger sweet spot for more forgiving shots and easier power generation. The 4 1/4 inch grip size offers a comfortable hold, allowing better control and confidence during long matches. Thanks to its flexible frame design, the racket also helps reduce vibration and arm strain, making it comfortable even during extended play sessions. Pros: excellent blend of flexibility and stability. Large sweet spot for added forgiveness. Arm-friendly design with reduced vibration. Cons: comes unstrung, so strings must be installed separately. Advanced players who prefer heavier rackets may want more weight. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is ideal for intermediate to advanced adult players who want a comfortable, flexible racket that delivers easy power and solid control. At around $100, this racket offers excellent value, especially considering Wilson's innovative Clash technology and premium materials, making it a strong option for players seeking performance without a high price tag. Number 4. Introducing the Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight and beginner-friendly tennis racket designed to help new players enjoy better power, comfort, and control right from the start. The Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket features a titanium frame with a graphite shaft, giving it a strong yet lightweight structure that improves durability while keeping swings smooth and fast. It weighs about 10.4 ounces, making it easy to maneuver during rallies and practice sessions. The 27.5-inch extended length provides extra reach and slightly more power on serves and ground strokes. This racket also comes pre-strung, so you can start playing right away without needing additional setup. The light balanced design helps improve swing speed and reduces fatigue, which is especially helpful for beginners still developing their technique. It includes a 4 3/8-inch grip size, offering a comfortable and stable hold for most adult players. Pros: lightweight and easy to swing. Pre-strung and ready to play. Durable titanium construction. Cons: not designed for advanced competitive players. Limited spin control compared to high-end rackets. The Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket is perfect for beginners, casual players, and adults learning tennis who want a comfortable, forgiving racket that makes the game easier and more enjoyable. With a price around $140, this racket delivers solid quality, beginner-friendly performance, and the trusted reliability of the Head brand, making it a great value for recreational players starting their tennis journey. Number 5. Introducing the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, a high-performance, ultra-lightweight racket designed for advanced players seeking precision, speed, and power in every shot. This racket is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, offering incredible strength, responsiveness, and a lightweight feel at just 9.7 ounces. It features a 100 square inch head, providing a generous sweet spot for consistent and powerful strokes. The unstrung design allows players to customize strings to their preferred tension and style of play. With a 4 1/8-inch grip size, it delivers a firm, controlled hold that helps advanced players maximize spin and accuracy. Its ULS, ultra light spin, technology enhances maneuverability and swing speed, making quick reactions at the net or baseline effortless. Pros: ultra lightweight for faster swings and agility. Carbon fiber frame ensures durability and stability. Perfect for spin, control, and precise shot placement. Cons: unstrung requires separate stringing. May feel too light for players who prefer heavier, power-oriented rackets. The Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is ideal for advanced adult players who want a responsive, spin-friendly racket that improves speed, control, and court performance. At $84.95, it provides excellent value for a premium carbon fiber performance racket perfect for serious players looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to grab your Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.